Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Nereida and I love sharing everyday hair tutorials plus some hair tips, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a super easy messy bun that I really love doing because you don't have to do it over and over again. Like literally you can get it right the first time. So let's get started. So you're just going to start off by gathering all of your hair into a regular ponytail. I like to do mine a little bit lower, and then as I start to tighten it, my ponytail will just naturally just kind of move up a little bit higher, so I end up with about a mid ponytail. Now that the ponytail is in place, I start to spread the hair around the base into a bun shape. And then once I have it all set in place, I'm just going to grab another elastic and I'm going to secure that over. I'm just going to put it over twice, nothing too tight. Now I'm going to start pulling at the bun to tighten it and to just start to give it a little bit more of a shape that I like. Now that I'm happy with the way it looks, I'm going to start taking sections and twisting them back and then securing them into the elastic. That's why it's important to not do it too tight so that you have that space to pull the elastic in order to secure your ends into it. I do this in about 4 different sections, but honestly you can do it in 3, you can do it in 5. It just really depends on the look that you're going for, but I usually always just do it in 4 sections. And here is the finished bun, really easy and secure for all day. And that is it for today's video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not already, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new video. I'm working on a regular posting schedule. If you are not following me on social media, you are missing out. I'm posting constantly on Instagram and TikTok. Both handles are at Nereida Speaks Hair, so go ahead and follow me over there. And until next time, you guys, bye!